Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from PayPal without any fees. So first of all, you will have to open your PayPal account and then you just have to simply log in into your account. Then here by default, you will be on the home page, but you need to click on send and request. And here you will have to simply provide the name, username, email address or phone number of recipient. So here, let's say I type this, so you will see the list of all of the users. So you will have to select the person to whom you want to basically send your money. So after selecting the user, you will have to simply choose sending to a friend. So this option works in Europe, UK and in United States. So after transferring or while transferring, you will see the send to a friend option. So you need to select send a friend instead of goods and services, and then you will have to enter the amount and make the payment with the help of your credit or your debit card. So you just have to simply remember that this method is ideal for domestic transfers within the same country. International transfers may still incur fees. So this is how you can transfer money from PayPal without any fees. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more quick tips like this one. Thanks for watching.